Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Sync Facebook friends on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and now click sync contacts and Facebook friends, and here as you see you will find sync Facebook friends. Just click on it and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn it off just click back and it will be turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.